Question 11 of this exercise says find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Here AC equal 22 cm, BM equal 3 cm, DN equal 3 cm, and BM is perpendicular to AC and DN is also perpendicular to AC. So as we can see in the figure, area of quadrilateral ABCD is basically the sum of area of triangle ABC and ADC. Now we know the formula to find the area of triangle, that is half into base into height. So area of triangle ABC will be half into 22 into the height is 3 plus the area of triangle ADC will be half into 22 into 3. So on solving this we will get 33 plus 33, which is same as 66. So it will be 66 square centimeter. That will be the area of quadrilateral ABCD.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.